If you want to use Windows 10 on your Android mobile, then this video is just for you. Welcome back to our Learn in a Minute video series where we can learn about computer, internet, applications and much more in just a minute. So, to use Windows 10 on your Android mobile, all you have to do is just open up the download link from the description box down below and download this application. Now, just install and open this application. See, it's look like that we are using the Windows 10 on our Android mobile. So guys, if you want to change the orientation from portrait to landscape, then touch and hold on the desktop screen. Now click on screen orientation and click on horizontal. Now click on yes. So guys, this is how we can use Windows 10 on our Android mobile. That's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below, and if you want to see such more videos like this, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.